Good mighty morning, Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is April 8th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I'll give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Some great things happened yesterday. I saw what an amazing job scholars were doing in their reading class, making sure that they are prepping and getting ready and making sure they understand all the skills they need to know to finish out the school year. Also, I saw scholars writing on their TELPUS writing. Nice job! Making sure to give details and describe and all the things you need to do when you're writing during your TELPUS writing prompts. Scholars, keep up the good work. Remember, every day is a great day to learn. We'll see you in the classroom. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!